Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa mga video na i-upload ko sa aming YouTube channel.
Baka pwedeng balikan po natin yung suggestion kanina na ipareho na lang. Huwag na nating hintayin na maging pareho sila after 5 years. Kasi kung titinan po yung Section 2, amending Section 5, makakatanggap na upon effectivity ng 500 yung hindi pa covered. Pero aakyat yan
every year, increase of 100
pero
to 5 years.
Yes, but for the meantime, makikita na may tumatanggap ng 1,000, may tumatanggap ng 500. Masakit po sa loob yan.
Yes,
At magulo pa, dagdag po. Kaya kung maaari, upon effectivity nito, pareho yung matanggap. Para walang problema po na makakaharap sa field. So, if there is no objection to that suggestion, I would move that we amend the proposed provision by increasing the amount to 1,000 across the board. Pare-pareho na po yan. Pero kung gugustuhin po natin, considering na 1,500 yung sinasabi ng Senado, gawin na po natin 1,500 lahat. 1,500 sa Senado, o di 1,500 din po sa atin, but with the understanding that this is subject to the position paper that may be submitted by the Department of Finance. For the meantime, approve na po natin sa committee level. Now, pag-usapan na lang later on.
The final amount to be entitled to a monthly stipend for our senior citizens across the board, para po sa lahat, regardless of social status, amounting to 1,000 pesos.
Second.
Be adopted.
Madam Chair, I second the motion.
No objection? Hearing none, the aforementioned substitute bill is hereby approved.
Thanks for watching! Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe!